Well, the need here is huge. If you look at South County and what's going on both in the unincorporated area for Cherryland and Ashland and also South Hayward, second to Oakland, East Oakland specifically, in the Fruitvale area as well, this is where the need is at in Alameda County. Those are the three main areas in the county. So when you look at the numbers, that's where you see them at. And I think among the Latino community, I mean, that's where we know that the positivity rates are the highest. That's where we know prevalency exists, and that's where we're trying to create impact.
This is why we have a lot of nonprofits like ours to meet that need. Unfortunately, a lot of our community members have been disproportionately affected by COVID. We continue to work with La Familia to provide mental health services to our community members. We have also partnered with Eden Community Church as well. Most recently, we have partnered with the fire department to greatly expand our reach with vaccinations.
We're helping to meet the need by providing rapid COVID-19 testing for anyone in the community with very well-trained staff that speaks several languages. This need is only getting larger. We're starting to transition into vaccination, which is the hope that we'll get beyond this. But the need in South County is great, and here we're providing the testing and rapid results that will help people to stay healthy, for their families to stay healthy, and for our community to stay healthy.
Yeah, the collective force of partnership is really, no one can do it alone. You really need the trust and the partnerships within the community, not just for staffing purposes, but trust within the community to network into individual neighborhoods and what have you. The value of that is proven not just in our partnership with La Familia, but also Tiburcio Vaquez with the Firehouse Clinic. There's just a lot of synergy that takes place for community-based organizations to work with the city and the county to make sure that residents are not slipping through the cracks, and that our underserved population is recognized and provided the same level or better services than the highly insured.
This is the SkyWest site that is operated by both La Familia and the Hayward Fire Department. This will be the site where we continue to do not only COVID-19 testing, but also transition to doing vaccinations. So we're partnering, as always, with the Hayward Fire Department to start that transition now. We have vaccine, we're ready to go, and this will be the next site where we really start to dig into some numbers when we're talking about reaching the roots of the community. If you look over here, this is where we've been doing testing. We have tested over 70,000 people here through this site with SkyWest. It started at Huntwood with the fire department, it went to Cal State East Bay, and now it's here at SkyWest Golf Course. So again, with the Hayward Fire Department, who has been leading the charge, supporting us, this is where we'll have dual modalities, so both testing and, in addition to that, vaccinations.
We are thrilled to partner with La Familia on the COVID-19 vaccination project. We cast a wide net by distributing flyers electronically to community and faith-based organizations, the school districts, as well as social media outlets. The response was overwhelming, and I extend my sincere gratitude to the staff at La Familia and Eden Youth and Family Center, who worked in concert to ensure those in need of this life-saving vaccine were cared for.
In deep partnership with organizations, CBOs, faith-based organizations, that really we all work together to make this happen. We have people who help us do outreach, engage people, get them signed up. And all of those things are incredibly important to ensure that people know that vaccine is available, they know when they're eligible, and they know how to get the vaccine should they want to get the vaccine. What's also critical about the model that we have here is that in partnership with Trusted Messengers, we're able to also educate people about the vaccine. This is new for everyone. This is new for all of us. And it's important that we all come to the vaccine as informed decision makers.
The partnerships are necessary because no man is an island. We cannot do it alone. With all of our organizations working together with redundancy, we're going to be able to make an impact on our entire community.
Eden Church has always known the importance of partnerships, and I think that the pandemic has revealed the importance of grassroots, community-based and faith-based organizations. You know, just as the pandemic has brought to a larger number of people's attention the disparities and inequities that exist in our society, I also think that there have been some blessings that have come out already, and that includes the realization that there are a lot of things that go on in our community and in our world that are bigger than any one of us and so forth. And if anybody thought they could do this by themselves before, everyone's been humbled.
La Familia would like to thank all of its community partners for your collective impact in battling COVID-19. We remain resilient as we bring the task force to our communities and our neighbors. We'd like to thank the Hayward Fire Department for your innovation and for us being agile in looking at presenting and providing dual modalities, both testing and now transitioning to providing vaccines to those most in need with the highest disparities in our community, particularly here in South Hayward. We'd like to thank Alameda County Health Agency and also Alameda County Public Health. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.